In this video we're going to look at the electroplating of zinc onto copper. So we're going to start off with zinc chloride. So this is a bottle of zinc chloride, so 100% pure anhydrous free-flowing zinc chloride made by Sigma Aldridge. This is a white powder, but we've already dissolved that up in water. If you look in the beaker, it's completely transparent. When you dissolve zinc chloride in water, it's completely transparent, so you can't see any colour at all. But this is quite strong. It's about 2 molar in strength. We have 2 electrodes. In the foreground we have a piece of solid zinc. This is going to be the source of zinc metal for the electroplating. And then behind that we've got a piece of pure copper bar, rounding cross section. And we're going to electroplate the zinc onto that. So the idea is that the zinc chloride already contains zinc ions, Zn2+. So the idea is that when we put the power supply on, as you can see here, set to 4 volts, not yet switched on, then when we put the power on, we're going to transfer zinc from the metallic zinc, the zinc anode, through the electrolyte to the copper cathode. So if we look at the terminals of the power supply is set to 4 volts, but the red terminal, which is the anode, is connected to the zinc bar. That's the red terminal here. So the zinc is going to be the anode, so it will dissolve and it forms Zn2+ ions, which go into the solution already containing zinc ions, and then deposit on the copper, which is the black terminal, and that is connected to the cathode of the power supply here. And just to emphasize the point that we want to make sure that the zinc solution in the bath, that is in the electrolyte, remains constant. So every time an atom of zinc gets deposited on the copper as metallic zinc, it gets replaced by another zinc atom that's dissolving from the bar of zinc metal. So we make sure that maintain a constant concentration of zinc in the electrolytic bath. If you don't do that, then we will deplete the concentration of zinc over a period of time, and then it won't plate properly. So now let's do the experiment. We've already set it to 4 volts. So now what we'll do is we will focus the camera on the copper, and you'll see the effect immediately. So you can see the red colour of the copper, and when I press the go button, then we'll apply the 4 volts to the cell between the 2 electrodes, and you'll immediately see zinc deposited on the copper, and it will change colour from red to grey. So I'm going to count you in. 3, 2, 1. And there we have it. So you can see that the copper has changed colour and has gone from red to grey. So that's the deposition of zinc on copper. So normally when you do this experiment, you'll run it for several hours to build up a thick layer, but we're going to stop it now after just a few minutes.